Roland is well known for their high-quality electronic drum kits, and they gave us a chance to look at the newest additions to their product range and give you an insight to what they are capable of. The first kit we got to check out is the new Roland TD27KV. Replacing the whole TD25 series, it offers a completely new sound module and 2 digital components. But before going into detail, let's hear what it can do. The module features Bluetooth connectivity, an SD card slot for your own sounds, 2 additional direct outputs, 3 inputs for additional pads, and 3 digital trigger inputs, as well as USB and MIDI connection. Combined with the newly designed surface of the module itself, Roland offers a completely new and versatile addition to their mid-price segment, including the best features of their TD17 and TD50 modules. What sticks out is how easy you can manipulate each sound. The direct edit knobs give you the chance to customize pitch, muffling, and level of every sound individually without clicking through any menus. Countless routing options give the ability to send signals and click out whenever you want them to. Additionally, the Bluetooth connectivity gives you a chance to play along with your own music on your phone or any other Bluetooth device. Playing along with your favorite songs might have never been easier. More than 50 pre-installed kits give you over 700 sounds to choose from and create your own kits. While the TD27KV features Roland's classic drum rack-based design for electronic drum kits, the second kit we got to check out looks totally different. The Roland VAD line features a brand new concept, combining the look of acoustic drums with the functions of a high-class electronic drum kit. The sound module used for these new drum kits is also the TD27 we were looking at before. Using wooden shells and tripod stands, the VAD line provides you with a look of an acoustic drum set. It also features a digital 14-inch snare and an 18-inch ride cymbal trigger pad, just like the TD27KV shown previously. They give you even more dynamic options and the possibility to play cross-stick sounds on the snare or fade out a cymbal sound with your fingers by slightly touching the surface of the ride trigger pad. The 2 configurations we were able to test were the VAD 503 and 506. While the VAD 503 comes with 2 toms, 1 ride and 1 crash cymbal, the VAD 506 offers 1 additional tom and a second crash cymbal. What also sticks out are the sizes of the drums. Just like an acoustic drum kit, you get 10, 12 and 14-inch toms and 14 and 16-inch crash cymbals. The 20 by 16-inch bass drum and the 14 by 5-inch snare drum complete the kit. This really sets the VAD series apart from all other Roland kits, using standard-sized 10-inch trigger pads and 1-sized cymbals. Another new addition are the cymbal pads used for the VAD series. These are thinner than all the previous Roland cymbal pads and just feel different. It simply feels different to hit a mesh head installed on a 14-inch floor tom than a 10-inch pad on a regular electronics set mounted on a drum rack. Even if the module and the pre-installed sounds are the same with the TD27KV and the VAD series drums, playing both kits feel totally different. It's impressive when you realize how much the look of a drum kit can trigger your creativity and the way you play it. What's your first impression of these new electronic drum kits? Do you like the design of the VAD series? Let us know down in the comments and subscribe to Home of Drums for more content in the future.